Hello, Nash Lucky. Guwapa. Thank you. From Hello, ga. Prank to ka na sa aking Boom. Hello po, guys. I'm enjoying this. Oh, really? Nice. Good to know. Guys, I'm so haggard, no? My brightness. So, yeah. Hello, Fitter. Hello, Bray. Welcome to my life. Hello, everyone. Hello, Max Power. Guys, what are you doing? Salad? Okay. Salad gid, ha? Kick out ka gid. Hello, everyone. Hello, Scarlo. Thank you po. Sorry, guys, for my tulog na kayo, nagkaibags na ka. No, it's normal to me. Since I was a child, na-adapt ko sa tatay ko. Parang may ibag here. Look, ayun. Yeah, you see? Gotta hear it out. It's hot. Yeah, because it's really hard. You notice, huh? Hello, Tanod. Saan ka nag-aral? Here in Palawan. Why? What's your name, babe? Oh, yeah. You see naman my name. Why did you ask pa? May tanod, yeah. May tanod. Nangkukorpiyata daw. Ay, luck. Thank you, Peter. Si Piti, you're so kind. Pabin ka, sabi ni boss. Who's boss? Oh, thank you for the follow, everyone. I love you. Piti, are you still there? Hello, Gap. Taga saan ka, Gap? Parang di mo tinanong isinagot yung tanong ko kanina. Why are you asking Tanod? Why are you not in barangay? Hello, Aina Palma. Good evening. Guys, do you know what is my bayant? Yung ulam ko kanina. Wala niya yung ulam ko, guys. I am watching something else while I listen to your voice. What did you watch? Toyo and egg. No, not Toyo and egg. Silver Swan. Silver Swan. Why, you're so funny, huh? Hello, Jack. No, not Silver Swan. Thank you, Jack. Oh, hot stop. Oh my god. No, bro. Oh, no. Why are you ganyan? Bisaya ka, Dino. Why? Do you think I'm Bisaya? Mom, are you from El Nido? Yes. Where did you ask? With oil? It's a bayan. No. It's so sad. My babe is not have juice na. Regaluhan niyo ako ng babe, guys. Wala na akong babe. Kawawa naman ako. Kawawa naman ng host niyo. Wala ng babe. Papayag kayo, no? Yung host niyo wala ng babe. Hello, Scott Resta. Yosh. Iwanay ko kay Pang. Pimo ko host. Why? Thank you, everyone, for support, ha? Hello, Joseph. Hello. Good evening, everyone. So, ayun na nga. Mag-relapse muna tayo. Hello, Shori. Good evening. Good morning. Gcash na lang. What? What's the meaning of that? Guy. Ano? Paipit naman po na. Oy, you're so, no? Why you have seductive voice? Why? Nagsida ka ng aking voice? Hello, Bryce. Thank you for the follow. Para may banyo bib ka. Ay, talaga? Sige. Gcash. Sige gusto ko yan. Gcash. Tapos pabili ng rep. Ay, birep. I said, babe. Okay, nagkamali tayo ng banggit. Ang sabi ko, brief. Hello. Uy, wag mo ko ini-scam Talaga, lilibre mo ako ng vape. Is that legit? Talaga ba? Ipakatapos labas nila. Wala na akong vape. Wala na guys. Tingnan niya. Wait lang. Masusunog na. Wala na talaga akong vape. Kawawa naman ako. Masama daw sa kalusugan yan, ba? No. Naiinis din ako pag naubusan ako ng juice sabi. Talaga? So, libre mo ako ng vape? Kasi ayaw mo mainis ako. Charot. Hello, Zin. Hello, Shish. Hello, Nico. Saan yung labas nila? Wait lang. You're so kulit. Joke. Hello, Scarlo. Want mo this one din ako. Meron ba nun? Thank you for the gifts, guys. Also kay Gap and PT. Jack, good evening. Evening to. Hello, Mr. Bar. You have a weak sock. You must not excel.